Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Vic, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to fix notification not popping up on Snapchat. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. The first step today guys is to click on the person icon at the top right corner of your screen once you open your Snapchat app. And then from here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on that, and then you just have to scroll down until you see notifications. Tap on that. Alright, so from here you just have to make sure that the notifications are turned on for everything. So just make sure you turn every notifications on. Okay, so once this is turned on and you're still not seeing the notification popping up, there's still one more thing you can do to fix that. So you just have to go to your phone settings. For example, if you're using an iPhone, you just have to go to your phone settings, and then you just have to scroll down until you see Snapchat application around here. So this is Snapchat's application. I will tap on that, and then what I just have to do is to click on notifications, and then I have to make sure that the toggle button is turned on to allow notifications. So once that is done guys, you definitely fix this problem. So hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this.